Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at how we can execute JavaScript in A360. So for that, as you can see on my screen, I have a program ready just to demonstrate. And over here in the actions, we need to choose this JavaScript package. So over here, once we choose the JavaScript package, we need to open it and open, run, and play. So these are the three actions which we need to perform from JavaScript package. Okay, so JavaScript open. So in this, it will take a session name. You can give any meaningful name, and that session name should be similar for open, run, and close. Okay, so from here you can either import your existing JavaScript file or you can manually write a JavaScript function. Over here I have written function greet and which is taking one parameter name and it will return hello that name. So this is the thing, and here it will this run action will JavaScript run action will execute our function. We are providing the name of our function over here and the parameters. If you don't wish to pass the parameter, there will be nothing. Anyway, it's an option, and this is I am assigning the output which will be written from this function to the prompt, and then we are closing the session and we are printing the output basically. And here I have taken a string assignment. I'm just assigning a name and passing an default like name value to this function. So it will give me hello Bob. So you can pass on this dynamically from a parent or parent bot or any other bot from where we are calling this. So you can get this name dynamically. For the demo purpose, I have just hard coded this value and assigned it to this one. So now we'll be running this and we'll see it should give us hello Bob. So I have run this and we'll just expect the output in a couple of minutes. Okay. Hello Bob. So this is the Java function. The output was written from the JavaScript. So this is how you can write a JavaScript function. This was just a basic example. So you can have your lengthy JavaScript file and you can import it from here. So that's all guys. This is how you execute JavaScript in A360 and this is how you use the JavaScript package. Hope you like the video. Please like the video, comment your thoughts and let us know what command you are expecting.